Look what you become. You're scared of your reflection. You stumble by that mirror and reach for your protection. Even though you saw yourself, there's really no connection. Cause you didn't see the scars, yet you don't feel perfection. You miraculous mistake, a natural selection or intelligent design with no cognitive corrections. Something otherworldly, but plain to our perception, stretching my perspective in every which direction. Fuck the world, I'll make you say my nom de plume. Pick you up and walk you all around the room. Lay back and let you ride me like a Honda. Kiss you soft and run my fingers through your thoughts and views. Acting like you didn't want me. No one wants to come off slutty. Playing hard to get like $1 million. Wits on you like a brilliant scholar. And you ain't making much sense at the moment. I wonder if you ever did. I don't know if you're my friend or my opponent, but all I know is this. You got me feeling sick and corrosive. Then I had a shift, an emotion that threw me in the fist and convulsions. When you use me like a trick. With them tits and explosions. With them tits and explosions. With them tits and explosions. And I know this, I know you know this. You laid there in my arms while I catch my breath. Cheek to cheek, nose to lips, chest to chest, and broke the silence. I opened both my eyelids and watched you work yourself up into a tiny fit of violence. What's the matter? What did I do?
Why's it always gotta be about you? It's him.
Oh, who?
Someone you never knew.
Who?
It's you.
I walked away as if to say I'm not amused.
Motherfucker, walk away, that's all you do.
I'm not the softest dude, but that's an obstacle.
Such a self-centered dick.
That's all but true. Something flew across the room while I was putting on my shirt. If I would've saw it, I would've moved it, hit my collar and caused a bruise. I rushed over, you turned around and cried. I turned you around and kissed you and put your panties to the side. Feeling sick and corrosive. Then I had a shift, an emotion that threw me in the fits and convulsions. When you use me like a trick. With them tits and explosions. With them tits and explosions. With them tits and explosions. And I know this, I know you know this. Look what you become. You're scared of your reflection. You stumble by that mirror and reach for your protection. And even though you saw yourself, there's really no connection. Cause you don't see the stars, yet you don't feel perfection. A miraculous mistake, a natural selection or intelligent design with cognitive corrections. Something otherworldly, but plain to our perception, stretching our perspective in every which direction. Look what you become. You're scared of your reflection. You stumble by that mirror and reach for your protection. Even though you saw yourself, there's really no connection. Cause you don't see the scars, yet you don't feel perfection.